Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be stripping the pink out of my hair. So I'm going to be taking the pink out of my hair finally. If you guys can tell, it's kind of fading and it's just time to take it out. And I wanted to share with you what I use to take out my pink hair. So I usually use the L'Oreal Color ZAP hair color remover to remove the pink out of my hair. So this is what it looks like. It gently washes away all permanent hair color, ideal for color correction, removal of dark shade, muddy, or even results. Color builds up and leaves hair ready for immediate recolor. So it removes all unwanted permanent hair color. This isn't permanent, but it works for this as well. If you guys didn't watch my how to dye my hair pink video, I used the Arctic Fox Virgin Pink and Electric Paradise to get this hair color. So that's a semi-permanent hair color. This stuff works for that. So inside the box is the Color ZAP color remover and the Color ZAP activator. So you put the activator in the powder bottle and then you shake this up until it dissolves. And the instructions are on the inside and it says wear gloves. Let's see. Okay, color to be removed. Medium shades of tint from level 4 to level 6. Light browns. I don't remember what I did, but I'm pretty sure I used the activator, even though it says not to. So I'm gonna do what I think, and I'm probably gonna fry my hair, but it's all good. So here is the powder, and this is the activator. Oh wait, let me part my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair in 4. So first 2, and then I'm gonna do 1/2 and 1/2. So looks so tired right now. Okay, so there is my hair, and I just want to show you guys the color of my hair right now. And I'll show you this side as well. And it's just time to change my hair color. It's starting to look muddy and I'm going back to work. So I'm gonna pour 2 fluid ounces into, I don't know what that means, activator. I'm just gonna do this. So I'm pouring this into this, and I pour all the contents of that in there, and then I take the bottle, and I'm pretty sure apply to 1-inch sections, apply to dry hair, starting in the darkest areas, usually the ends. This is not the darkest area, this is the lightest area, so I'm going to start from here and go down. And then for minor adjustments such as colors out with warm water. Okay, no. Time suggested in the box. It says 20 minutes, but I think it's somewhere around there. And then I'm pretty sure you just shake this bottle, but I can't find the instructions for this. So it's a little difficult to get the powder at the bottom like all ready to go. And I'm also going to put my gloves on before I burn my fingers again. Last time I fried everything, so. So I'm just hitting it on the end so I can get all that mixture nice and mixed. And then I'm going to do 1 and 1, and then on the top of the head I'm probably going to use another box. Mix thoroughly until all the powders blended. Snip off a small hair. Apply mixture to test strands, and then blah 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 blah. I think it's ready to go. So make sure you wear like a light shirt too, and even a towel. I'm gonna put a towel on the parts that I'm working on. Like that. And I'm just gonna put that on. I'm so scared. Oh shit, I'm supposed to use 1-inch strands. Okay. Ugh. So you want to get everything saturated. That's why I have a lot of bottles. Ooh. Half of it went on the floor. You can already see that it's lifting the color. See, it's already starting to lift platinum, which is what color my hair was originally.
I also want to mention why I use this instead of bleach. So this hair color remover actually doesn't lift your original hair color. So if you can see where there's a blend from my natural hair color to the blonde, it doesn't mess with that color at all. So the brown stays brown and the blonde goes back to blonde. So I don't have to bleach any more of my hair to get it back to its original color.
We're on to box number 2. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did to the other bottle, and I'm going to do it kind of fast because as you guys see, this is already sitting on my hair. I don't want it to sit any longer than it should. I'm just going to use the same top that and I think it should be ready to go. So I'm just going to use some of this just at the top of the head. And I'm probably going to use all 3, whatchamacallits, boxes. It's a little hard to see, but I'm gonna recolor it probably in another video, so I'm not really too like worried about it. But if you are just trying to go back blonde, I would probably have someone help you so that you can see the back of your head. And then I'm gonna start this. I'm just gonna start one side. And then I'm gonna start in the back. And this is hard to work with because it's like really liquidy. I don't know why they made it like that. I feel like it goes everywhere. And then I'm just gonna whip up one more for this piece. Starting from the back, and since it's liquidy, I'm holding like a kind of like a cup shape with my hands, and then I'm just running back through. And make sure that it's nice and saturated, otherwise you're gonna have bits of color in your hair. Yeah, the blonde's gotta go. Pink or black only. So I'm not gonna let it process for that long because it's already like lifted my hair, so I don't see the need in leaving it there for like an hour. So I'm just gonna wait like I don't know, like 10 minutes. 10 more minutes, and then I am going to wash it out. I'll check in right before I wash it out. Down here I have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left, but down here I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that it's like turning blue because that's the color of the liquid. When it's blue I kind of know that it's ready, but I'm going to wait a little bit longer for the top. So I'm going to wait 4 more minutes for a total of 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my hair. But I'll check in with you one more time. Okay, so I think I'm ready to wash this out. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like after I washed it. And then I will show you how it looks like after I style it again. So I just washed out my hair, and this is the color fully lifted, so all the pink is out for sure. So I just washed my hair, and this is the color right now. It is a platinum blonde at the bottom. It's a little bit yellow, but that's the color that it was before. I absolutely hate being blonde now, so I'm gonna change it very, very soon. So I just washed it with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I left the conditioner a little bit longer because I know this stuff isn't really that good for your hair. But I'm gonna style it and I will be back. So this is my hair now. So as you guys can see, all the pink is gone now. There's no pink. I know the bleaching is like really bad. I'll go ahead and show you guys. There's like absolutely no pink. And as I was telling you guys in the video, I used 3 of those Color Fix, what am I talking about? Color Zaps. So I used 3 of those. And this is what was under the pink. I'll show you the back as well. There's absolutely no pink at all anymore. And I also just want to mention that the Color Zap will totally take out your toner. So before I dyed my hair pink, obviously this was toned a little bit better. It wasn't so yellow. And I just want to tell you guys, like, it will take out your toner. It's going to leave your hair the color that you started with, so after bleaching. It looks like a little bit yellow, but I'm going to be doing something else to my hair after this video. But I just wanted to show you guys how to take pink out of your hair, or how to take any color out of your hair. I think that's everything that I'm going to cover in this video. So I'll go ahead and close out now. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something today. Make sure to check me out on Instagram to see pictures of what I'm gonna do with my hair next. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you want to see more content from me, make sure to click that subscribe button. I need to do something with this hair ASAP because I'm not loving it, but I just wanted to show you guys how to take the color out, and it did such an amazing job. I love that it just takes everything out. Here's one last look. That is everything. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.